Represent the following to another basis. Write the base 10 number 34,563 in base 10. So this is how you are going to convert base 10 to base 6. Let's proceed. 10 to the 4th power, third, second, squared, 1 and 0. So 10 raised to the power of 4 is 10,000. 10 raised to the power of 3 will be 1,000. 10 raised to the power of 2 is 100. 10 raised to the power of 1 is 10. And 10 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So simplify. 10 to the 4th power times 3 plus 10 to the 3rd power times 4 plus 10 squared times 5 plus 10 to the power of 1 times 6 plus 10 raised to the power of 0 times 3. So simplify. 10 raised to the power of 4 is 10,000. 10,000 times 3. 10 raised to the power of 3 is 1,000 times 4 plus 10 raised to the 10 squared is 100 times 5 plus 10 times 6 plus 1 times 3. To sum it up, we get 34,563. Now for the second problem. Write base 10 number 14,563 in base 2. So let us separate this number here. Write down here 1, 4, 5, 6, and 3. And then 10 raised to the power of 4 is 10,000. 10 raised to the power of 3 was 1,000. 10 raised to the power 10 squared is 100. 10 raised to the power of 1 is 10. 10 raised to the power of 0 equals 1. So again, separate. Simplify. 10 to the 4th power times 1 plus 10 to the 3rd power times 4, and then plus 10 squared times 5 plus 10 raised to the power of 1 times 6, and then raised to the power of 0 times 3. So again, simplify. 10 raised to the power of 4 is 10,000 times 1 plus 10 raised to the power of 3, 1,000 times 4 plus 10 squared is 100 times 5 plus 10 raised to the power of 1 times 6 plus 10 raised to the power of 0 is 1 times 3. So to sum it up, we get 14,563 563 is the set. This. Write the base 10 number 126,067 in base 6. So again, separate this number here. 1, 2, 6, 0, 6, 7. So since it is 10, so we write 10 here. 10 raised to the power of 5. 10 raised to the power of 5 is 100,000. And then 10 raised to the power of 4 equals 10,000. 10 raised to the power of 3 equals 1,000. 10 squared equals 100. 10 raised to the power of 1 is 10. 10 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So again, simplify. 10 raised to the power of 5 times 1 plus 10 raised to the power of 4 times 2 plus 10 raised to the power of 3 times 6 plus 10 raised to the power of 2 or 10 squared times 0 plus 10 raised to the power of 1 times 6 and 10 raised to the power of 0 times 7. So simplify. The value of 10 raised to the power of 5 is 100,000 times 1 plus 10 raised to the power of 4 is 10,000 times 2 plus 10 raised to the power of 3 is 1,000 times 6 plus 10 raised to the power of 2 or 10 squared is 100 times 0 plus 10 raised to the power of 1 is 10 times 6 and plus 10 raised to the power of 0 is 1 times 7. Again, sum it up. So we get 126,067. Write the base 6 number 345,426 in base 10. So 345,426. Write the base 6. So 6 raised to the power of 5 is 7,776. Then 6 raised to the power of 4 is 1,296. 6 raised to the power of 3 equals 216. 6 raised to the power of 2 or 6 squared is 36. And 6 raised to the power of 1 equals 6. And 6 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Again, simplify. So 6 to the 5th power times 3 plus 6 to the 4th power times 4 plus 6 to the 3rd power times 5 plus 6 raised to the power of 2 or 6 squared times 4 plus 6 raised to the power of 1 times 2 plus 6 raised to the power of 0 times 6. So, 6 raised to the power of 5 is 7,776 times 3 plus 6 raised to the power of 4 is 1,296. Copy 4 times 4 plus 6 raised to the power of 3 is 216 times 5 plus 36 times 4 and then times plus 6 times 2 and 6 raised to the power of 0 is 1 times 6. So, to sum it up, we get 29,754 base